Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to add the settings page as a shortcut on your desktop, because for some reason it won't let you do that on Windows 10. You can't just right click and click add shortcut to desktop like most other things. Don't really understand why, but I've found an easy fix for it, so let's get right into it. So all you have to do really is right click on your desktop and click new shortcut right here, new shortcut. Click that and it'll say the type location of the item. So what you have to type here is MS settings colon. MS settings colon. Make sure you add that colon or it won't work. So after you type that in, click next, and right here you type in the word settings. This will make sure it adds the icon specifically for that thing, but you could name it any way you want really, but this will make the icon show up. So after you type that in, you click finish and it'll pop up for you. That's really all you have to do. It should work for you here. Yep. So that's how you added the shortcut to your desktop. Here's another thing real quick. If you want to go to a specific page in settings, like if you want to specifically go to system and multitasking without having to waste a few clicks to get there, all you have to really do is after MS settings colon, you type in any of these pages. So here's a list of things you have to type in after that, and it'll bring you specifically to that. So I'll add the link to this page in the description. Like if you want to specifically go to the battery saver page, you just type in battery saver after MS settings. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helped. It was relatively simple, but I know some people actually asked me for this, so I hope this really helped, guys.